Hello folks and welcome back to another lesson. Nice easy one I thought we'd start the week with. So we're going with Nirvana's Dumb, and it's super easy to play. You only need, I think there's 3 sections, so there's only a handful of chords. So let's dive straight in, shall we? The actual original version is tuned down half a step. I'm going to teach you this in standard tuning, can't be bothered with that faff. So if you want to play along with the album, just bear in mind you're going to have to tune everything down half a step, okay, or 1 fret. And in terms of tones, you just need a clean tone, right? So I've just gone straight into my universal audio interface, so I'm not using any plugins or anything, just the preamp in that. Sounds great. So the first part goes like this. Now there's a teeny variation in there, but ultimately it's just 2 chord shapes, and they're both power chords. So you've got an open power chord for the E, but he flattens his finger quite a lot, right? So you're actually going to get the sus2. That rings out, okay? So you've got this shape. So you've got E, and then I'm moving my finger down 1 string to play the A, right? And the next part, you're just going to cover. So again, you're covering the 3rd string, right? On the 5th fret. When you're playing that G power chord shape, right? And then you go to a C. Right, so the chords are. And you count 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so you play each chord for 2 beats. So then all you're going to do is pick out some random stuff. So he plays. Okay. Change and then arpeggiate. And that gives you the rhythm, right? Change. And again. And this, you know, as he's changing between chords, don't worry about taking your fingers off and catching the odd open string. Then when you go to the second half, you'll hear. Does a bit more of a strummy thing. Okay, so just alternate between the 2 as you wish. There's also a sort of fill, I guess, where he plays. Right, so you just play a little double stop on the 2nd fret on the 3rd and 4th string there. Open. That second part's the same as we played before. Then the chorus is just an E major for 1 bar to a G major with this rhythm. Okay, and also if it's easier, just take all your fingers off on the last strum. So it's down, down, up, up, down, all your fingers off, up. So you can do that if you like. Or play it straight like that, okay? Then we've only got 1 part, which is essentially. It's basically a B major to a C major. But you're going to put in the 5th in the root. So basically you move your 1st finger to cover the low 6th string, right? Like that, right? So you play that around 7 times. And on the 8th time, just let it ring out for a bar. And that is it. You're done, people. Nice and easy. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.